Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Choose a farm type and create your character before loading into Year 1 Spring. Pick Standard, Riverland, Forest, Hilltop, Four Corners, Wilderness, or Beach based on playstyle. On Day 1, clear a small plot of weeds and stones, craft a hoe, watering can, and axe, then plant 15 basic parsnip seeds. Water crops every morning to avoid spoiled growth. Use the shipping box at night to sell excess produce. Aim to save at least 1,000G for more seeds or a tool upgrade within the first week. Prioritize watering crops, checking animals, and visiting the mine or beach for foraging before noon to maximize daylight productivity. Keep stamina and energy in mind. Bring 5,000G and 5 ores to the blacksmith to upgrade one tool each week so you clear more in less time and access deeper mines. Complete community center bundles by donating crops, ores, and crafted items. These bundles unlock the greenhouse, bus, and quarry, which drastically increase year-round income and resource access for long-term growth. Build a coop and barn early and upgrade them to accommodate more chickens, cows, and goats. Add heaters for winter comfort and build silos to store 100 hay each for winter feeding. Focus on high-value crops like strawberries in spring and ancient fruit in the greenhouse for steady income. Plant fruit trees with 6 tiles spacing and protect them with saplings. Use kegs, preserves jars, cheese presses, and mayonnaise machines to convert raw goods into artisan products that increase profit by 25 to 400%.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.